Top 4 Best Ceramic Coatings 2026. Find out the best products for you. Number 1. 5-year professional grade protection. This Chemical Guys Carbon Force ceramic coating uses advanced SiO₂ technology. It delivers extreme gloss and hydrophobic defense, creating a hard, protective layer that shields your car's finish. You get the 1-ounce coating and 3 micro-suede applicators. Its strength is long-lasting durability, but that 5-year claim absolutely needs proper maintenance. For serious long-term auto ceramic coating protection, if you're committed to upkeep, this is a strong contender. Number 2. This CERAKOTE Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant offers 50-wash durability. It's a true ceramic coating for cars, giving you months of protection and a mirror-like finish on clean paint. Application is quick, wash, dry, then spray a thin coat on one panel and buff immediately. Its extremely hydrophobic, ultra-slick surface repels grime, keeping your car cleaner. Just remember, it's not a one-step miracle coating or a paint corrector. If you need that, this isn't it. But for easy, lasting ceramic protection, it's a very solid choice. Number 3. Its UV tracers show where you've sprayed. That's Adam's Advanced Graphene Ceramic Spray Coating. It offers true graphene protection, not just silica. This makes applying a durable ceramic coating super easy for detailing enthusiasts. It works on nearly all exterior car surfaces, from paint to glass and trim. You do need to apply it panel by panel to control overspray, but for over 18 months of advanced protection, it's worth it. Number 4. UV tracing technology guides your ceramic coating application. Adams Polish's advanced graphene ceramic coating boasts 10H hardness and 7+ years of protection, even in harsh conditions. Its ceramic glow tech ensures you won't miss a spot, making application far easier. You'll get extreme hydrophobicity and a super high gloss on paint, glass, wheels, and more. While it's easier to apply than many, it's still a detailed coating process. This nano coating offers long-term, professional-level car protection. Thanks for watching Best Ceramic Coatings. Check the links in description for more details and best prices.